I'm pissing myself!
Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a high-stakes story of bravery and precision. We're going to take you behind the scenes of a gripping police chase, where law enforcement officers pulled out all the stops to track down and apprehend a dangerous kidnapping suspect. From the initial 911 call to the intense pursuit, we'll break down every crucial moment and strategy the police used to bring the kidnapper to justice. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this thrilling account of real-life heroism. On Saturday, January 14, 2023, the Columbia County Sheriff's Office Dispatch Center began receiving 911 calls from a woman reporting that she had been at a truck stop on County Trunk Highway C in Decorah Township, Columbia County. The woman reported she had been sleeping in the back seat of a vehicle while her family entered a gas station. She reported this vehicle was stolen with her inside and now being driven by an unknown man. She did not know where they were going. The male driver was refusing to release her from the vehicle and driving at high speeds. The female was intermittently able to stay in communication with Columbia and Sauk County 911 dispatch centers, providing valuable location information. Columbia County 911 dispatch received further calls reporting the vehicle stolen and were provided tracking location information from the vehicle owner. The released video shows deputies working to coordinate a response as periodic location updates were given to them.
An hour, westbound 60, approaching Walker.
CAD update received.
.33 just lost a tire. Vehicle appears to be spiked, still going. On the rims, looks like we're going to be coming to a stop. Barda and 60. Suspect still going.
10 more Barda and 60. Still going.
CAD update received.
33, 1028, running on 3 wheels. We're coming around the big S curves, still approaching Barda Road. Looks like suspect is in oncoming lane of traffic, westbound, oncoming lane of traffic, eastbound.
10 for .30 spikes set at 60 in glue. 60 in glue. I have a trooper that spikes on Hanneman and 60.
Spikes hit! 33, passing Luth Road. Appear to be negative spikes from county, negative spikes. Approaching Kelly Road now. No oncoming traffic, 70 miles an hour.
I'm the K9, I'm right behind all the other guys.
CAD
David
update
Rowley
received.
County.
33, we're 60 in Macaulay. Approaching Lodi.
718 bike set.
CAD update received.
33 from 43. Still appears that the
Your radio.
33 approaching the four corners. Appears all four tires are deflated. We're at Lodi Shell, going through the intersection, heading towards Quick Trip, northbound.
33 should see it up and around. 33 may 39.
State Patrol is in front of me. We're 113, approaching County Road J, north side of Lodi.
Try and get in front of him. He's all over that road. Copy that.
304, they do have states that can do pit and they're authorized to do it. Do you want it under 35 miles per hour or over?
33. I just tried to pass the suspect vehicle. He tried ramming me. No contact, but it was close.
Usually when they're making a turn onto another roadway, he's on cancel. Time.
149, I'm behind the lead vehicle. I can pit above 30.
Suspect just bounced off the guardrail again.
CAD update received.
33, we're 43 miles an hour. State's attempted hit.
CAD update received. CAD update received.
33, successful pit.
33, I copy, successful pit.
33, I've pinned him with my squad.
3331 at gunpoint. Have EMS on standby. Full airbag deployment.
I'm gonna come around this side and we're gonna open that door. I have a cane on you, we'll get bit. Keep your hands up.
Hands are up. I can see hands up.
Passenger side. Come around and get this.
Where's the female at?
Hands are up.
Back passenger door.
Ma'am, come on out.
Ma'am, come out. Door can't be open.
Put your hands up. Show me your hands,
down,
ma'am.
get
Come
her
out.
out.
Come out slowly. Ma'am, come back.
Keep your hands up. Do not move. Slow down, get her out. Keep your hands there. Do not move. Do not move. It's blocked in. Get her out. All right. Then come around to this passenger door.
Keep your hands up.
322, EMS, we're requesting you to stand up.
I got it. Keep your hands up. Don't you dare move up. Moving. Shut up. I'll give you my hands. Move. I swear to God, do not move. Not moving, sir.
Hands are clear. Hands are clear.
Let the dog bite you if you do.
Hands are clear. Keep your hands up.
If you move again, I'll let the dog bite you. Do you understand?
Come back. Get Tesser's vehicle up. Move.
Cut this.
We need to move your vehicle.
Deputies and troopers safely took the operator into custody and ensured the safety of the female victim, who reported being uninjured. The operator of the vehicle was identified as Kyle M. Wagner, a 51-year-old male from the state of New York. Wagner was believed to be under the influence of a controlled substance. A vehicle associated with Wagner was located at the truck stop the stolen vehicle was taken from. A search of that vehicle resulted in the recovery of methamphetamine and drug paraphernalia. Wagner was booked into the Columbia County Jail on charges of felony looting, operating a motor vehicle without consent, false imprisonment, operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated, reckless driving endangering safety, possession of methamphetamine, and possession of drug paraphernalia.
I'm pissing myself!
On March 22, 2024, Trooper Sapp of the Florida Highway Patrol was patrolling north on I-75 in Sumter County when a speeding white Honda SUV with high beams and windshield wipers passed him. The vehicle swerved between lanes and followed Sapp's patrol car closely, prompting him to activate his in-car camera.
And I also need a description of that vehicle. We received multiple calls on that single call vehicle, number 1477. That was the vehicle you're calling for. You may 51. Yes, 51. 827. Right now. Something. That was 227. I'm going to start heading out there. I'm out of the heat. With the 56 miles an hour. What's your current bump work right there? My worker 314, my worker 314. 47, is he north or southbound? Please southbound. Alright. I'm gonna try to get myself up there to 309 and set up north. Down 4, we'll take up to 309. For in reference, other than the unit that's behind the vehicle, I need everybody to stay off the radio. We are 1033 traffic. Alright, exiting on my worker 314, exiting on my worker 314. Tempo water, traffic conditions at the time. Traffic, signal 4 with me, light traffic, signal 4 with me. Stop on. Really off the exit in the northbound on the southbound or the vehicle pit. More vehicles overturned. We're getting in at 51.
Show me your hand! Show me your hand! Show me your hand! Show me your hand!
10-408 48 reference the vehicle pit.
Show me your hand!
The chase continued onto County Road 48 in Bushnell, where the SUV drove east in the westbound lanes. Sapp performed a pit maneuver, causing the SUV to flip onto its roof after hitting a mailbox.
1040. I'm 26 on the pursuit. Can you get a certain 51? You have a Lieutenant 1051 as well?
Alpha 0851 is open at 65. 165.
So that's 10-4. I'll get you to the Tampa station as well, shortly.
Yeah, 165. 15. Let's keep the radio traffic clear. Unit's not 10-4. 1023. Let's stay the radio first.
Seats. Tractor supply.
Come on.
Okay.
Have a seat.
Tomorrow?
Right now.
Why, man? It's so dirty in here. No.
The driver, James R. Purridge, was paranoid and incoherent. Sumter County EMS took him to HCA Florida Ocala Hospital.
Oh yeah. Mother. Today, mommy. LSD. I like LSD because I'm say it. Should I say it? Huh? Wowie, wowie, wowie. Wowee. Hey man, I'm pissing myself, mother. I'm pissing myself.
After medical clearance, Purge was charged with fleeing, eluding, resisting without violence, DUI, and reckless driving. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this inside look at the police pursuit of a kidnapping suspect both informative and exciting. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more real-life stories and behind-the-scenes insights. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.